Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing EFOI, HUSA, NINE, AERC, AUVI, QUBT, RDBX, INND, AIAD, PSRU, CYDY, and BDCO. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and education purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. First up, right now, the OTC is pretty quiet. Where the action is in low float NASDAQs. We had a low float NASDAQ alert for our subscribers, was up 32% at one time during the day. Congrats to all subscribers who banked. I talked about three over the weekend in this video. The weekend penny stock recap. Three that I talked about in particular were EFOI, HUSA, and NINE. Congrats to all who banked from the weekend. EFOI has just 5.7 million shares in the float. HUSA is an oil and gas short squeeze play. 11% of the float is short. And NINE is another oil and gas short squeeze play with 14% of the float short. So guys, we screen for these types of plays for our subscribers. We look for short squeeze plays, low floats that can really run. We do all the work so that you don't have to. Go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com and sign up with your email and your mobile number. Best part is we run a free service. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. AERC, big runner over the past 2 days. Up 447% on the NASDAQ in just 2 days. They received FDA clearance for their Purgo medical grade air hygiene technology. And you look over here, this one is just 4.32 million shares in the flow. Again, this is what you want to focus on, folks. This is what's working. The key is in investing, focus on what's working. Don't get into ideological, dogmas that you cannot change. If you say, I'm only a crypto trader, I'm only a biotech play. If you are an investor, you are a trader, your focus is specifically on the make money business. And right now, I'm telling you what's working is low float, short squeeze plays on the NASDAQ. We will get to the OTC. It's still very quiet. It's harder to make money on the OTC. Why fight the trend? OTC is going to get hot. It always does. It's a boom bust cycle. And right now it's quiet. So you focus on, go where the money is. Another one here is AUVI, up 96% today, guys. Just 6.28 million shares in the float. Nice move here. Got a confirmed bottom right here on the, if you look here, you got the trend lines drawn here, significant support right here at the 80-cent level, and then it just didn't take much with this low float to pop it. So again, these are the types of plays, and make sure you, if you're looking for charts, finviz.com, finviz.com, they draw all the trend lines. You can see support, resistance, moving averages, and they got all the data here on the share structure. It's all right there for you guys, and it's a free resource. Next up is QUBT. Really love this chart. I mean, this chart is just a beautiful chart. Just bottomed here out at the $1.50, and you see this was also a trend line support here, multiple bottom, and it's up 117% this month. Again, another great NASDAQ play, great chart, and this one is run right into the 200-day moving average of $3.99. We clear $4. You get a close above $4, and this one can keep running. So keep your eye on the $3.99, $4 level on QUBT. RDBX, I've been talking about this one in videos. Guys, look at this. I mean, just 33% of the float is short. Built a multiple bottom right here at $2. What can't go lower must go higher. And when you got a big short position like this, it really can get moving. So we really like the action in RDBX, and it's looking like blue skies here. Closed here near the highs of the day. And in the after hours, trading higher, bidding 885 by 890 after closing at 855. So expecting more continuation of RDBX tomorrow. INND, guys, I talked about this one at the end of May. I said May is over. Now let's crush pennies in June. INND was one that I talked about. You go over here, May 31st. This one here closed at 0.002, or it opened at 0.0029. Again, all of our profiles are released at the opening bell. So if you caught this move here, you know, this one's a double here over the past couple of days. So there still are opportunities on the OTC, but it's few and far between right now. IAD, nice move here, looks to have bottomed, up 40% today, just an $8.9 million market cap. Brad Parscale, who was Trump's campaign manager, he sold his analytics company to AIAD, and that is a major, it was the backbone of what he used in the Trump campaign to get Trump elected in 2016. So AIAD is certainly a play with real technology behind it. PSRU up 25%. There's a lot of catalysts coming up. The company was out with an update. Dear Valiant Eagle shareholders, with respect to the Wild Geese movie project, our representatives are in talks with a Greek billionaire to finance the project. A famous British director and A-list Hollywood actor stars in numerous action films. There was a filing posted. So got some catalysts coming up here. It's just a 00. Looks to have bottomed here. First big volume in a while. This one here was trading at $0.015 last September, so this one has a history of price spikes, and put it on your radar screen. Next up, guys, is CYDY. Nice volume today, and it's the first time in a long time it has closed above the 50-day moving average. This is the 50-day, and you can watch this, and it just stayed under here. This was major resistance. Finally, we're closing above this. We've got the 200-day at 89 cents. We could run there, run into resistance. Keep your eye on CYDY. This is certainly one of the more controversial ones on the OTC. But again, you know, it's been really beaten down by the shorts, and we could see some short covering to propel it to the 200-day moving average. Lastly, guys, is BDCO. This has just been an incredible runner for the past month on the OTC. This is an OTCQX, which is the highest tier on the OTC markets. Just a $32 million market cap, and their first Q1 results were just impressive. Gross profit of $6.6 million, net income $3.5 million. Nice margins. They're an Eagle Ford oil and gas play, which is a prolific shell area in South Texas. There's just a lot to like about this one. This is a quality OTC company that is still undervalued. So again, these are the types of plays we look for here at insiderfinancial.com. Make sure you go to signup.insiderfinancial.com. Guys, we cover OTC and NASDAQ and NYSE penny stocks for our subscribers. We do all the work so you don't have to. We send full reports out at the opening bell if we have an alert. This way you can do your own research and then make a trading decision for yourself. Again, we advise the best thing to do is build a portfolio. of penny stocks. Don't go all in on one or two names. It can really leave you bloody. You want to approach it like a venture capitalist. Spread your money amongst 10 plays. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I've been doing this a long time and just trying to help you guys out as much as possible. All right, guys, with that being said, we'll be running screens in the morning looking for low floats with catalysts. So make sure you sign up at signup.insiderfinancial.com with your email and your mobile number so you don't miss any of these alerts. With that being said, I'll be coming live to you tomorrow after the bell with a new update, and good luck to everyone on Wednesday. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.